So guys, here's a better, quick, and easy way to fold your underwears and socks to save up and organize more space in your drawers, cabinets, and even in your luggage for your travels. So let's start folding. First, we have this one. Roll over this waist part and leave up some space here, and then turn it backwards like that, you see, and then try to put this part into the middle part and roll again. So here's the finished product. Next, we'll do it again for you to follow. Again, roll over the waist part, then leave some space and turn it backwards and fold again like this, and this is the appearance both ways. Then this part you have to put it in the center and roll again. Like that. So here's the finished part. And let's take again another kind of boxer briefs. So for this one, you have to go like this and roll over again, then leave some room for the folding, for the roll over later, then like that. Then this part you have to go, you have to insert to this middle part and then roll again. And that's the final look. And here's for another type of underwears, the boxers. So we can still apply that to this one and then roll over the waist part. Again, leave some room here, then turn it backwards like that, and then put this part in the middle and roll again. So that's it. I have 4 in a row with different kinds of underwear, the boxer brief and the boxer. So now let's go to the socks part, the low-rise socks. It's actually a pair. Then just put it together, fold once, then fold again, and then this opening, try to flex it, and the finished look is like that. Easy. So let's go to the medium rise socks. Repeat the process. Fold it once, twice, and then the opening, try to flex it to cover the whole thing, to swallow the whole thing, and then like that. Then the last part, the high-rise socks. Repeat the process. Fold once, fold twice, then look for the opening to flex or swallow the whole part, then like that. That's it. Then you can just put it in your drawer like that, or luggage, and it's saving more space, and you can look at one glance where your socks and your particular pair of underwear. So that's it, guys. I hope this is helpful to you, and I made this video because I'm trying to organize my stuffs here in my room, and I think it's better way to make this video because once in a while I forget how to fold these stuffs.
That's my best friend.